The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a super smartphone, super camera, the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, the latest GPU, RAM storage configuration, the latest technology, but it's primarily a camera phone. I'm thinking that it deserves a video on its own, and I decided to come here in Cyprus and share this beautiful nature with you. Photos, videos, day, night, everything. Please enjoy this video and stay tuned for the full comparison between the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And now I give you Xiaomi 15 Ultra, the night god. And now it's time for the 4K 60 FPS video here with the Hydro 3 shipwreck, guys. Start running. Alright, and now pay attention. Ship is from the back. Testing the stabilization. Gonna do a 360 for you. Now sun today, beautiful, dramatic weather. 4K 60 FPS video testing with the famous Hydro 3 shipwreck here in Cyprus, close to Coral Beach. Ultra wide 1x, 2x crop from the main sensor. Now going to 3x, guys. Beautiful sharp image, 4.3 engaging with Samsung HP9, the super telephoto camera. Let's bump it up to 10x. Okay, this is 10. Hydro 3 freetown. We can do, by the way, from here 15. All right, that will be 15.1. Yeah, now a whooping 30. You can see the rust. All right, the holes through the steel. Absolutely amazing. 0.6. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4.3. And now, guys, back to the ultra wide. I'm gonna try to do a lens cycle test, and I cannot even go from the ultra wide to 30x. So much zoom here, but what I see on the phone display is actually very good. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. 30x, 0.6, 1, 2, 3. Another zoom lens cycle test, guys. Ultra wide 1x, pay attention now, very interesting. 2x crop from the main, 3x on the MX858, 4.3, and now we're talking so many towers out of stones. Let me show you 10x, guys. This is just stunning, sharp, and you can recognize the different stones, the shapes and the colors. But let me just blow you away. I'm gonna put 30x. All right, from this to this and this all in one phone. I'm really impressed with the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. I'm here at the birthplace of Aphrodite, and what you see behind me is the Aphrodite rock. But pay attention, guys, it's gonna get interesting because I'm going to get inside this tunnel, and it's important for dynamic range. So as I go inside, light drops. All right, okay, not that bad, guys. Let's go outside. Okay, and now it's time for the run test. So a very small tool, guys. 4K 60. And now it's time for the back video. Right, main sensor, 2x, 3x, and 4.3. And we can zoom that up to 30x. That is 30x. Off in here. Let's go back to 1. Now let's do the ultra wide. Let's start running. Ultra wide 1. Gonna get now in the dark tunnel. Start running. Perfect for stabilization test, as you can use the tunnel as grid lines. All right, let's try to zoom in from the tunnel. 2x, 3x, 4.3. Okay, nice. And I'm zooming up at these guys at 10. So good. 15. Somebody's photobombing me, and we get 30x. From video, Xiaomi 15 Ultra. 4K 30 FPS, guys, for the win. And now it's time to test the night video. I'm shooting 4K 30, and we start off at 1. So have in mind, it's past 10 PM, so it's already very dark, and we have some artificial light. This is the main sensor, and we know that the main sensor is quite capable. What happens when we turn to the ultra wide, guys? Yeah, it's very clear. Alright, back to the one sensor. Alright, shooting at the more illuminated area, so one more time. Ultra wide, you can see how much less light the ultra wide sensor can capture. 1x. Alright, lens flare, yeah, not ideal, but still it's very bright. 2x crop. 3, okay. Pay attention, guys, this is the 3x Sony IMX858 camera. So crop 2x from the main, 3x, and now 4.3. Ooh. Oh wow. Alright, back to 1. Let me walk you to this little park in the dark. And now this is the night video. Looks to be a bit more jittery, but it for sure captures more light. And it's also, I believe, 24 FPS. Back to 4K 30, right? And you can see no night mode. It's darker for sure. Now let's turn on the night. In 3, 2, 1, let's do it. Wow. And this is the night video. Again, at 24 FPS. It really captures things I'm almost not able to see.